Before you buy a 360 dash cam, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them claim full coverage, but leave blind spots when it actually matters. People keep buying the wrong ones because they don't realize how different 360 protection really is. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best options that actually deliver what they promise. Product number 1, Teransol D016 Dual 4K. Let's start with the Teransol D016. This one caught my eye because it's not just front and rear, it's dual 4K, which means both cameras record in ultra-high definition. At $167, it's mid-range, but it includes a free 128GB card and supports up to 512GB. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 4K resolution means you can zoom in and still make out a license plate from 30 feet away. That's huge if you're involved in an accident or need to prove what happened. The 170 degrees front lens covers 6 lanes, and the built-in GPS stamps your speed and location directly onto the video, perfect for insurance claims. Plus, the 8 GHz Wi-Fi lets you download clips fast through the app, so you're not stuck waiting around. Now, some people complained about the parking mode requiring a separate hardwire kit. Here's the thing though, that's standard across almost all dash cams. You can't get 24-hour monitoring without hardwiring, and Teransol at least makes it clear up front. Just budget another $20 for the kit. Skip this one if you need cabin or side recording. This doesn't cover those angles. Product number 2, Teransol D018 Triple Channel. Now, if the D016's lack of cabin recording bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Teransol D018 adds a third camera, 1080p cabin recording, while keeping dual 4K for front and rear. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The cabin camera has 4 invisible IR lights, so even in total darkness, you'll see what's happening inside. That's critical if you're a taxi or Uber driver, or if you're worried about theft or vandalism while parked. The Wi-Fi 6 support means faster uploads, up to 20 Mbps, so sharing footage with insurance is quick. And like the D016, it includes GPS, G-sensor, and loop recording. Now, some people were frustrated that the rear camera must be wired to the front unit. Here's the thing though, that's how multi-camera systems work. Wireless rear cams often lag or disconnect. Wired is more reliable even if installation takes a bit longer. This is perfect for you if you need interior monitoring and top-tier front-rear clarity. Skip this one if you drive a compact car and don't need cabin coverage. You're paying for features you won't use. Product number 3, IIWEY N5 4-channel 360 degrees. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for full coverage, the IIWEY N5. This 4-channel system records front, rear, left, and right in 1080p simultaneously, giving you true 360 degrees protection. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The side cameras cover door-to-door action, perfect if someone opens their car door into yours or you're parking in tight spaces. The 8 IR lamps ensure night vision across all angles, and the supercapacitor handles extreme heat better than batteries. Plus, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi connects faster than older models. Now, some people were annoyed that you have to manually turn on Wi-Fi each time by holding a button. Here's the thing though, that's a safety feature to prevent overheating. It's a minor hassle, but it protects the device long-term. This is perfect for you if you park in busy areas or want maximum coverage on a budget. Skip this one if you need GPS. It doesn't have it, which could matter for route tracking. Product number 4, PRUVEO D94 channel. Now, if GPS tracking is non-negotiable for you, the PRUVEO D90 brings 360 degrees coverage with built-in GPS, something the IIWEY lacks. At $180, it's pricier, but it records all 4 channels in 1080p and includes real-time speed and location tagging. If you drive long distances or want court-ready evidence, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The GPS data embeds directly into the video, so when you play it back, you can see your exact route and speed. That's gold for disputing tickets or proving fault. The time-lapse parking mode saves storage by compressing hours into minutes, and the IR cabin cam works even in pitch black. Now, some people complain that the hardwire kit isn't included for parking mode. Here's the thing though, again, that's industry standard. You'll need it for 24/7 monitoring, but at least PRUVEO makes it easy to buy separately. This is perfect for you if you want GPS tracking and full 360 degrees recording. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. There are cheaper options without GPS. Product number 5, ZMOPO 4-channel 360 degrees. Finally, the ZMOPO 4-channel system. At just $116, it's the cheapest here, but don't sleep on it. It records front, rear, left, and right in 1080p, includes a 128 GB card, and has 8 IR lights for night vision. If you want full coverage without spending over $150, this is your best bet. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The WDR technology balances light and dark areas, so you won't get blown-out headlights or pitch-black shadows. The 160 degrees wide-angle lenses minimize blind spots, and the supercapacitor ensures it won't overheat in summer. Plus, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi lets you download clips quickly via the app. Now, some people were confused that GPS isn't built in. You need to buy a separate module. And for under $120, that's a fair trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want affordable 360 degrees protection and don't need GPS. Skip this one if you drive for work and need location data for logs or claims. So which one should you get? If you want dual 4K and GPS, go with the Teransol D016. Need cabin recording? The D018 is your pick. Want full 360 degrees on a budget? The IIWEYN5 or ZMOPO are both solid. And if GPS is a must, the PRUVEO D90 delivers. Each has trade-offs, but now you know exactly what you're getting. Pick the one that fits your driving life and stay safe out there.